First off, I want to thank you guys for tuning into this video. Really quickly, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe as well as hit that like button and the notification bell. That way you'll know whenever we upload new content. So today we're going to be doing a lineup on really delicate / fine hair. He has a weird hair texture. His hair it's coarse, but it's also really fine, if that makes sense. And he's very particular about his hairline, so we're just going to show you how to attack it. So he doesn't want to taper or anything. What I'm doing is I'm just tapering down the front lineup and on the sides. That way it'll be much sharper whenever you line it up. So here we're taking the 1.5 guard and we're going against the grain just to lay everything down. And we're going to repeat the same thing on this side. Okay, now I'm going to apply some holding spray just to lock the hair in place. You don't want the hair to move whenever you're lining it up, so that's the purpose of this holding spray. Okay, so now we're going to proceed on with the lineup. And we're going to try to keep everything as natural as possible. You don't want to exaggerate the arches too much. And you'll see whenever I get ready to line up the other side, his arches, they grow different on both sides. Now, normally he gets a taper, but he decided to switch things up. He's going to grow his hair out. So we stopped doing the taper. Normally, if you had a taper on the side, it would be less noticeable, but you'll see that the other side has a little bit more of a curvature to it. And the key to getting a sharp arch on the side is just to use the corner of the blade. I don't know if you can see already, but you can tell that this arch has a little bit more of a curvature to it, but it's okay. We're still going to try to make it match as close as we can. Now, what I could do, I could curve the other side more to try to make it match, but once it grows back, it's not going to look as nice, but I try to get it as close as possible. And in the front, we're just going to keep everything in front of us. We're going to keep it as natural as possible. So as you can see, I'm not trying to take off that much hair. I'm just trying to take off just enough to where I can get a crisp line. And that's the thing about barbering. Not every client that you cut, not every client will have that perfect hairline, or one side they may have light spots or thin hair, coarse hair. You never know. So that's just the beauty of barbering. You're always going to get a different type of a canvas. And as you can see with his head shape, it kind of comes to a point in the middle. He has more of a rounded hairline, but we're still going to try to get it as symmetrical as possible. Not every lineup will be straight across, and that's the case with this haircut right here. It just depends on the head shape. His head shape is more round, like I said, in the front, so it's going to come up to a peak. By the way, if you haven't already, be sure to follow us on Instagram at Barber Style Directory. That's at Barber Style Directory, and submit us your haircuts, and you could be reposted on the page. And also, you can follow me on Instagram at ThomasCutIt. But yeah, guys, this is pretty much the video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up if you like it, and I will see you all on the next video.